welcome
Hi.
to Skydive Dubai. Tell me what's going on. What are you doing here today?
I'm excited as well as a little bit worried.
All right, it's your first time skydiving?
Yeah, first time. I've done paragliding before, but free fall is for the first time. I'm very nervous.
All right, well, you've met your instructor. Do you understand everything that you have to do for the jump?
Yes.
All right, buddy, have a great skydive.
Thank you.
How was your skydive?
It was amazing.
Nice
I want to do it one more time.
See you next
one more
time.
bucket list is completed. One was this and second was this. It was awesome.